again. I thought I would film my meals start up again for you guys, because I know you guys like to see what we're eating here at the Kinzer household. And if you are new to Heidi's home, welcome. I'm Heidi, and tonight, let's see, what is today? Today is Friday, and I am making some kielbasa, some fried potatoes, and I'm also going to be making some sauerkraut. So the first thing I'm going to do is get these all fried, and then I'll pour the sauerkraut in with them. And then the potatoes, I got them turned down a little bit, and I'm just going to basically put that on top just to kind of steam it a while to get those completely done all the way through. I'm going to be flipping these here shortly and moving them around. But yeah, that's what we're going to have for dinner. I hope you all are having a fantastic day or evening whenever you watch this. I love sharing my meals, and I hope you all are enjoying these types of videos. Hey, excuse the washer and dryer noise in the background, but here's my sauerkraut. And then my potatoes and my kielbasa got done, so I just threw the kielbasa on top of the potatoes and just been keeping it warm with foil. And I'm about to serve this up. Oh, it's going to be so good because I love sauerkraut. Like, I could eat that whole thing of sauerkraut and forget this. I don't even need this. Just give me the sauerkraut. Hello, everyone. It is evening, and I am making supper. And I'm listening to a podcast. We went shopping today, and we just got back, and so I'm trying to whip up something for supper. But one thing that I wanted to make was a pineapple upside down cake. I could not find at the store sliced pineapple, so I'm just going to use pineapple chunks, and it's butter and brown sugar. This is a yellow cake mix. I'm going to pour that on top and bake it until it's done. And I've got some ground beef with onion behind me browning right now to make some hot dog chili. My cake is in the oven. As you can see here, it's baking. And then my hot dogs and my sauce. I've got my sauce made, and then I just lay my hot dogs on top, and I just let that simmer, and it'll cook the hot dogs while the cake is cooking. And then, let me show you. My buns are frozen, so after the cake gets done and the hot dogs are ready, I'll just put these in the oven and warm them all the way through, and dinner will be ready. Well, I just ran Ronnie's dad's food over to his house, and I'm going to dig into my dinner. This is it, and I'm waiting for Ron to come home, and I'm going to make his plate up. But this tastes amazing. If you want my chili recipe, I will link it down below in the description box, or I'll put it in a card somewhere in the top of this video. Anyways, you'll see it. It is top-notch chili. It is delicious. This is my pineapple upside down cake. Aesthetically, it is not the prettiest cake in the world because I turned it out way too soon. And it's very, very moist. I should also add that it's extremely moist because it was made with applesauce and not oil. But it may not be the prettiest thing, but it tastes phenomenal. Hello, everyone. It is another night of suppers. Supper time again. Yes, supper time. So tonight we are going to have burgers. And I was going to make like fries, but to be quite frank with you, I'm so tired of making fries, and I'm so tired of I just didn't want to do it. I just wanted to do something easy. And today I lucked out, and I was able to run into Kroger. And so we're just going to have, these burgers look huge. They might be huge. We're going to have burgers. They'll shrink down as they cook. Burgers with onions, obviously. I love onions on a burger. Is anybody else with me? And then over here, I am making a recipe that I have not made in a long time. It's avocados. This is three avocados? Yes, 3 avocados. I'm going to put it in this bowl. And you'll have to forgive the lighting because it is evening and it's getting dark out. But then I'm going to add in 2 cans of the fire roasted tomatoes from Kroger. And I'm usually never at Kroger, so today I was able to grab those. And I'm going to make my dip, and I bought some tortilla chips. This is so delicious. I have not made this in forever. But basically, you just take your avocados and you squish those. You know, obviously, I have to get them out of the rind here, the skin. Squish them and then add 2 cans of this and mix it all together really good. Serve it with chips and it is delicious. So that's what I'm going to do this evening. Just a side note, when you buy your avocados and if you're going to make it right away, make sure that your avocados are a little bit on the soft side so it's easier for you to squish them. And I just used a potato masher. It makes it so much easier to get them nice and squished. And I just thought I would let you guys know, if you're going to make this, just make sure that your avocados are on a little bit of a soft side. So there are my burgers. I just turned it down on low. And I'm just going to make sure they're done all the way through. Here is my dip. I'll get out of the light. This is so good. I've already eaten like 5, and I don't need to be eating anything spicy, but this is not like too spicy, and you can control it. So you can add hot sauce to this if it's not spicy enough. You can buy the spicy roasted tomatoes. You can put salsa in this. I mean, you definitely can make this your own. I am serving it with guacamole, restaurant style chips. Delicious. I love these chips. But look at this dip. How amazing does that look? Anyways, in my mouth it goes. So good. Here's my plate. It's the humongous, honey. Baked potato with butter, and we put nacho cheese on them tonight. Is it good, babe?
Oh, man, you're going to be pleased with that. It's real good.
And then we've got green beans, and we've got our roast, and that is supper. Hello, everyone. Good evening. I feel like I am cooking a lot tonight. I'm making some meals for myself ahead of time. I'm trying to eat a little healthier. But anyhow, here we go. I made what I call skinny soup. I make it different every time. I made it with cabbage, cauliflower, celery, onion, carrot, green beans, and peas. And 1 can of diced roasted tomatoes. I didn't do too many tomatoes because I just didn't want to go overboard with it. And then I did 2 boxes of bone broth, chicken bone broth in there. And it smells really, really good. So that was half a cabbage. And then I had the other half a cabbage. So I sliced up the rest of my onion and some carrot. And the half of cabbage, cooked it down. I added soy sauce, sesame oil, and rice vinegar. I had to think about it a minute. Garlic, salt, and pepper. And in here I had a small pack of these thinly sliced, boneless, skinless chicken breast. I am just pan cooking these in grapeseed oil with garlic powder, salt and pepper, paprika, and Italian seasoning. And I'm just going to brown them really, 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 really good on both sides. Just like that. And cook them all the way through. I will tell you that if you like your chicken nice and brown, paprika will do the trick for you. And it cooks up and it tastes delicious too. It's not any kind of fancy paprika. It's just regular paprika from Walmart, like Walmart brand. Anyhow, I am going to probably eat some of that and some of this. And then I bought these here food prep bowls. And I'm going to dish this out as well as whatever's remaining here. And that's what I'm going to eat the rest of the week. For the most part, at least lunch, maybe dinner, we'll see. And then in here, I've got my husband some fish fillets. He's going to have a fish sandwich here in about 30 minutes. He's over visiting his dad. And that is what dinner is about tonight. I'll show you guys my meal prep bowls once I get it all prepped. And I'll show them to you before I, put them in the fridge or the freezer. My plate that's my dinner. And it's going to be really, really good and hearty and delicious and healthy. So, yep, that's what I'm eating for supper. So really quickly, I apologize I didn't get to show you, but these are my meals made up in my new bowls that I bought from Menards. Really like the quality of these bowls. Anyways, this is my lunch for quite a few days, which I absolutely love, and it ensures that I will make more of a conscious, healthy effort. So that is my lunch there. Almost forgot to film tonight's dinner. I started dishing it out, and I'm like, wait a minute, I'm supposed to be doing something. So today is, it's the weekend. It's finally here. And so today I was home, and I cooked this pot of northern beans all day long, and those are done. And then we have some, sorry about the shadow. Let's see if I can do better. We've got some Flaming Dave's jalapeno cornbread, and we have some hot dogs and fried potatoes there. Really good. And then I made a German chocolate cake with a coconut icing, and that is what is for dinner. Well, here is my little slice of heaven that I'm going to eat tonight for dessert, but I hope you all enjoyed seeing all the meals that I made, and I hope you all have a fabulous week. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and I will be talking to you all again soon. Take care, guys.